Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel, Miriam Leonardo Tango.
In this one, we are going to tackle the sandwich. A lot of people were mentioning that they have problem, and one of the problem is hurting her toes. So today we are going to fix that.
Before going to the video, remember to subscribe, like if you're enjoying it, and share with your friends.
Let's get to the video. Alright, so we are going to start up showing you the sandwich, and later we are going to mention some stuff that are happening here. Tack, 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 zoom. And from here, of course, we can exit and resolve in many ways. But here's the thing. We would like to mention that side step, backward ocho, sandwich, position. And here's the thing that I would like to mention. If you notice, my foot is very much on her front part of her foot, yes? So when she rotates, we pull for her to rotate. Look what happened. One, tack. She can rotate and nothing happens. So can I rewind? The mistake, one of the mistakes that happens is that the leader occupies a lot of space with the foot. So when she rotates, she tries to rotate, her heel gets stuck with my foot, with the point of my foot, and doesn't allow her to rotate. Yeah, she can kick you.
Hit you with the knees.
Or you can hurt her knee. Yes, that's another problem that may happen. So the correction, let me do it from the beginning one more time so they will see it. Side step, 1 and 2, 3. The correction is that already when we take this left step here, is already in position. Second thing to check is when we pull, is that we are going to remove our foot. Not remove, but rotate. Yes? That will allow her to finish the pivot. In the case, can I rewind? So in the case that by mistake I did go a little deeper, leaders, we are in charge of pulling and rotating our foot for her to accommodate and be able to pivot. And from there, of course, you can take another resolution.
For the follower on the same point, it's very important when you transfer weight to pivot on the left leg. So the left leg will pivot a lot. Don't rush the right. Keep it until we are facing already with the knees to the side, not to the leader. And here we can make it softer and we can cross to proceed with the next step. So be sure to get to this position. When you feel the sandwich, we're going back to point and rotate, feet together, and cross to go to the next position. Let's show you from this side so you can see the work. So we go in 1, 2, rotation for the follower waiting. We pivot a lot, the knees are facing outside, and then we cross to keep going for the next.
Yes. So if you are interested, if you like what you are seeing, remember, subscribe, leave a like, a comment if you have something in mind that you would like to work on, and we are going to, or if you have a problem with one of the steps, let us know in the comments below.
Hope you enjoyed the class and see you on the next one.
Take care.